Motor mounts are in good shape. The lower rear mount was replaced. I guess they call it a transmission mount. And the noise persists. Both the other motor mounts were checked. They've been replaced since the car was new, but maybe not recently. But they're both in good shape. The engine's not moving much, so I think the motor mounts are all good. And the noise seems to come from the wheels themselves, you know, way out at the ends. That's what it sounds like from the driver's seat. Tell me what you think.